Today we're going to be talking about text features. Now remember, there's a whole bunch of different text features out there, okay? There's pictures and there's headings, the title, the caption, charts and graphs and timelines, okay? But the most important thing to remember about text features is that they give you more information about the text, especially informational text, so that you can understand it a little bit better. So you should always check out all of the text features around a text to make sure that you're understanding the text. So for example, you have your title, de-extinction, and then you'll have all the words of the article, and then you'll have your heading. Your heading tells you what is going to be written in the section below. Your heading tells you what's going to be written in the sentence below. Write that down. The heading tells you what's going to be written in the section below. Here we have two headings. So we know that this section right here is going to be about helping pigeons. And this section right here is about fixing the problems with the pigeons. The headings tell you what the section below it is going to be about. Okay? Then we have a picture. Pictures are helpful for people who are visual learners, okay? So maybe you don't know what a pigeon looks like, and now you know that it's a bird. Pictures are helpful for visual learners. Captions describe what's in the picture. This is a carrier pigeon. Now you know what a pigeon looks like, and you also know there's different types of pigeons. For example, this one is a carrier pigeon. Captions give more information about pictures. Write that down, please. Captions give more information about pictures. And finally, some other text features are charts, graphs, and timelines, okay? So right here, this is a bar graph. This is kind of like what we have in class that compares your class averages on your tests. Bar graphs show you the comparison from one event to the next event. So from your coming distractions test to your first TCAP week test, you guys all improved about 3 points. And I could tell that by looking at the bar graph. Some other types of charts are pie charts. Pie charts are circles, and they're cut up like a pie would be, like a pie that you eat. And it shows you something similar. The bigger the piece of pie, that means that there's a lot going on in that particular piece. If it's small, that means there's not that much going on in that particular piece. So when you're comparing them, you'll say, oh, this slice is way bigger than this one. This must be really important. Then sometimes you guys will have timelines. A timeline looks like this. A timeline looks just like a number line in math class. A timeline looks like a number line in math class. I put 1991 to begin my timeline to 2015, which is today's year, and where I'm 23 years old. In 1991, you see it says birth. That's when I was born. Now, in 2015, I'm 23 years old, soon to be 24. But a timeline tells you specific events, and it tells you in chronological order or time order. So timelines tell you about specific events in chronological order or time order. It helps you sequence your events in order. Always starting over here on the right is like the first date. So 1991, nothing happened before 1991 for me because I wasn't born until 1991. So this would be the first thing ever on my timeline. So on the right side, okay, on the right side is where it always begins. And on the left side is where it ends. Or it could keep going, depending. For me, I'm hoping it keeps going.